Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are safe and fine. So today we will discuss the lesson number 6 of social studies, and the lesson name is India, Central and State Governments. Let's get started. India is a beautiful country. It is the seventh largest country in the world. At present, it has a population of more than 133 crores. It is the second most populated country in the world after China. Firstly, India is a very beautiful country. Then, it is the most largest country. And among the largest countries, India's position at number 7. Remember it, number 7. It is the seventh largest country. And India's population is more than 133 crores. Remember it, at present India's population is more than 133 crores. And China is the first populated country and India is the second populated country. Remember it. Also, there are two types of governments in our country, the central government and the state government. Both work together to run the whole country. And to run our country properly, there are two types of governments in our country. One is the central government and other is the state government. Now let's discuss about the first central government. Okay, central government. Okay, in 15 August 1947 our country India became independent, and after independence we have rights to choose our own government. New Delhi, the capital of India. Main offices of the central government is in New Delhi. The president, the prime minister, the vice president and other ministers and officials of the central government live and work in Delhi. The central government work for the progress and welfare of our country. And the central government also helps the state government when needed. Okay, let's discuss about state government. State governments. India is a very big country. That's why our country is divided into smaller parts, and these smaller parts are